Dear brothers and sisters, today's readings speak about a number of things. Speaks about temptation, trials, tribulations, faith, discernment, and all these, of course, the climax is maturity. Who can be said to be a mature person? Physical maturity, mental or spiritual, or any other profession. We have with us to our right people who are musicians who take classes. We have also the media people here, and so on. We have called them, they have grown and overcome so all hurdles of life, and they have reached a level, we can say they are mature persons in music and in media. A person who is physically sound, well-built, they say he has grown in physical maturity. A person like who thinks properly, well-balanced, is called a mature person in a way of thinking. In spiritual matters, who is said to be a mature person? A person who has come up in life facing troubles, spiritual trouble, all temptations, trials, and all what do you call that? His faith has been tested and so on, who can discern properly what is right, what is not right. Or we have before us a couple here, having the Silver Jubilee. They have grown, knowing each other, faced all the trials of marriage, and say they are so-called mature persons. So today's James tells us in a way, beware, he says. You are growing in spiritual maturity. We have in our life temptations. They don't come from God. They come from our own desires. We all have desires to be great in life and so on and so on. They are good. But what means to be used to fulfill those desires? Those, he says, to discern. When we discern what is good, then you reach stage by stage, overcoming also all hurdles, and we can say we have grown in maturity, be it physical, mental, or spiritual. So let us reflect on our own life. Are we really spiritually mature? Can we discern what is good and not so good for us? So also bring our children. Do we take right decisions after proper thinking, after reflection? When you see hurdles coming our way, what steps do we take to overcome the hurdles? We ask God to bless all of us, thank all of us as they are grown in physical, mental, spiritual maturity. So let me pass on this message to others, saying that life is full of temptations, full of trials. We need to face them boldly, use the best possible means, need to discern. And then when we discern, we need also faith and belief in ourselves and more in God. May God bless each one of us in this so-called growth to become like Him, so that we are available to all who need our help.